waist rotation pose. So for this one, we just start off into a steady position. So just kind of, you could say, a relaxed mountain pose. So your feet are about hip width apart and your lower body feels strong but not too firm. So just in a more relaxed positioning with the legs and the knees. It's not tense. Okay, hands are just by the side. And we're going to start to rotate the waist. So we're going to bring the arms up, inhale. And now you want to make sure that your arms and your hands are in line with your shoulders. I'm going to take a nice deep inhale and exhale. And as I'm exhaling, I'm rotating. So my rotation is happening from the waist. I'm trying not to move my legs or my feet. The one ankle, the one leg on my right side may feel a bit twisted, and that's natural because I'm twisting my upper body. If it feels awkward, you can readjust your leg and your foot. And if you need to move your foot a little bit. Now one hand, the right hand, is a little bit shorter than my left. I want to try to keep it the same length. And now I can really feel that rotation, that twist on the waistline. Okay, and then back to center. Drop the hands, give it a rest here. Back into a nice steady position. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Inhale up. Exhale as you rotate. And holding it there. So you're looking towards your hands as well. And you're just rotating to a point that feels comfortable. Your breath is going to feel a little challenging, a little short, because we're squeezing and twisting on all the stomach organs. Your arms are going to start to feel a little heavy or a sweet burn in the arms and shoulders. That's a good thing. So we can feel the exercise. And then back to center. So you want to try to do about maybe 3 to 5 rounds of